All right, traders, George here. Time for a pre-FOMC forecast for a few key markets here. First for gold. We're at 1297.30s right now. As a trigger, watch for price over 1303.50 for further upside. The main bigger picture targets to look for on the way up would be 1341 here, then up to 1387, and then up to 1478. Okay. To the downside, if we break below 83s, we're going to look for 1268. We're going to look for 1243s. And we're going to look for 1214s, okay? And that's the deal with gold. Let's move over to the euro. Okay, for the euro, last long over 38.18s to target 1 and fading there. Look left, balance beam spike. A lot of commitment just at that one little zone there. With the bulls holding this area, we would expect a continuation to 39.24s. The bigger picture move I'm looking for is to get up to 41.62s. Okay, a 1-to-1 harmonic up here at the square root of 2. And if things start to unravel here for the euro, watch for price below 37.87. We'll go down to 37.38s initially, then to 36.80s, and a bigger picture unwind would see price down to 13.5 and 19s there. Okay. All right. Here's the deal with the S&P. This bullish impulse here has been chopping up around this heavy commitment zone at the top for the S&P here. The most recent long transition was over 66s, just getting up to this spike here, similar to what the euro has done to 72s. We're a couple points above that right now. If we can stay above 66s, we'll look for 86s as the next target, and then new all-time high targets here. I've got 1930 and then 1956 to 58. Okay. Now, if we start to see some weakness getting below 62 quarter, then we're going to look for 51s, 44 quarter, and 38s. Bigger picture, we start trading below 30s. This air pocket here could see price moving down more. 1790 is a key price point below where we are right now. That's the S&P. Here is the Nasdaq. Now this, we looked at this in the live room. This set up a great pass-through style signal where it broke some key support but recovered it, set up a long through this channel here, and that one's already through to target 1. And some of you still long here. Target 1 with 35.49s, 35.93s, and 35 and 36.60s are the next two key targets above where we are. So if the bulls can hold this area here as support, those are the next two targets. Sorry, I had to make an adjustment there on that entry point. We get below 49s, then we'll look for 31s, basically 35.08 here, and then down to 34.80s. If you're already long the Nasdaq still from this position here, use your 5-minute fib dots to trail stops until price rotates lower, if it does go lower. So that's the trade breakdown for the S&P, the Nasdaq, the euro, and gold. We'll see you back in the live room.